Welcome to Numerical Online tutorial. Let us look at this interesting radical equation, and it reads that x plus the square root of x all over the square root of x now equals 9 all over 2. So, and we are requested to find x. Alright, so this is very simple. So let's get started. First thing we need to do first is to rationalize the left hand side of this equation. And what does that imply? It implies that we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. So let's do that quickly. So here we have x plus the square root of x, all multiplied by the denominator, the root of x, then all over the denominator multiplying by itself, then equals 9 all over 2. Now all we just need to do now is to distribute this, okay, to both this and to this. So that gives us that x root x then plus x, and that's because root x multiplied by root x will give us x, then all over x, then equals 9 all over 2. Alright, so the next thing we need to do here is to cross multiply, and by cross multiplying, the first thing we just need to observe here is that 2 multiply through with the numerator, now giving us 2x dx, sorry, 2x the root of x, then plus 2x, then equals, in the same vein, x here multiplies through 9, so giving us 9x. Alright, so let us subtract 9x from both sides. So here we have 2x, the root of x, then plus 2x, then minus 9x, all equals what? 0. So we know that 2x minus 9x will give us what? Negative 7. So here you have 2x root of x minus 7x, all equals to 0. So if you notice on the left hand side, this and this have the same terms as x here and x here. So all we just need to do here is to factor out. By factoring out, we have that x, then here is left with 2 root x, that will be 2 root x, then minus 7, then all equals to what? 0. Since we now have two terms which multiplies to give you 0, so all we just need to do here is x equals 0, that's the first, and 2 root x minus 7 equals what? 0. Okay, so to this end, the first one here, which is this, is not valid. And why is it not valid? And that's because if you plug in x equals 0 into the left hand side, it's not equals to 9 over 2. Okay, so let's then work with the second one, which is 2 root x minus 7 equals 0. Let's add 7 to both sides. You have 2 root x, then equals 7. Let's divide both sides by 2. So this clears up this. We are left with what? The root of x equals 7 all over 2. So all we just need to do now is to raise both sides by 2. This is to help us to clear the radical on the left hand side. So this clears up this. We are left with what? X equals 49 all over 4. Final answer. So, and if you plug in the value of x into the left hand side, it will definitely give you 9 over 2. Alright, please do ensure that you share this tutorial with other learners. Thank you and bye bye.